The tornado that went through here went right over our Christmas tree farm.
September 1st of last year, Mother Nature left a path of destruction through Gloucester County.
When the weather forecast was saying that the storm was coming in and all that, we were watching the weather on TV.
Almost the entire area right now is under a tornado watch.
John Legge gathered his family in the basement of their home on Mantua Boulevard and braced for impact.
Huddled together in a little doorway. Then we heard the glass break. I remember it saying, was that glass breaking? And then I went upstairs and, there were trees in our house.
Those trees came from the woods behind the house. But another set of trees, ones John spent years nurturing, folded like toothpicks to the storm.
All but 3 mature trees that I had got blown over and laid down to the ground.
His Christmas tree farm, a passion project he did with his family, was destroyed in an instant.
I spent so much time out there with weeding them and trimming them and mowing the grass, and now they were all gone.
Now his customers will have to find another farm to find a tree to trim. Thankfully, there's no shortage at Cozy Acres in Glassboro.
It's truly a family thing, and we just do it because we have fun.
And the owner, Stephen Kazakin, might remind you of someone.
Or they look at me and they say, is he or is he not?
His family pitches in to sell trees on weekends. They expect to sell nearly 400 this season, and lucky for his customers.
For us, it's not necessarily about the money. It's about the experience.
While the Real Christmas Tree Board says the price of trees has gone up 5 to 15%.
The price of gas, the price of labor has gone up. The price of the chemicals necessary.
Steve doesn't plan to raise prices yet.
We have a saying here, we don't sell trees, we sell family memories.
As for the Legge family, you may have to channel John's patience.
Come this spring, I'll be back planting trees again.
But he hopes you'll be back in his yard in a few years. In Gloucester County, Brenna Weick, NBC 10 News.